Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we'll be talking about 5 things you probably didn't know about veterinary. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it.
Number one is the physiology and the anatomy load. So, of course, these subjects are like difficult. Physiology and anatomy are difficult subjects, but it's not just about how difficult it is. It's about the different species you have to do it for. You have to do it for cattle, for dogs, for cats, for horses. And this kind of makes it difficult because the load of it becomes much more. You have to learn a general outlay of all their physiology, their bones, and then you also have to learn like species specific things about them and about how they all interconnect. So, this can all be very confusing and it can be kind of like difficult when you are just starting the course, but you'll get used to it. Number two is animal handling. Animal handling isn't something they teach you in your lectures or in your classrooms. This is something that you learn with pure practice. Over the years, when you do your internship and then you go out in the field, you learn about how to handle animals and your way around different animals. Their behaviors, how they might react when they're about to get aggressive. This is all a thing of experience. It's not something that you can sit in a classroom and you learn. But still, it's a very essential and a key skill you should have in veterinary, and you'll get used to that too. And number three is the emotional side of the course. Now, the thing is, veterinary can be difficult, right? You have to see animals in pain, animals suffering, and a lot of times they're beyond saving and they might die as well. And this can be quite emotionally difficult and can take a toll on you as a veterinarian. And a lot of times, one of the important and like major roles of a veterinarian is euthanasia, and putting an animal down can also be quite difficult for the heart to bear. So, make sure to consider that as well. Number four is remembering that veterinary is not just anatomy, physiology, or pharmacology. It also means subjects like livestock production, live farm practices, LPM. These are all subjects that are less science like and more related to animal husbandry, animal rearing, milk production, value added products, and even subjects like extension that teach you more about how to interact with farmers, what are different programs that help or serve farmers, how you can think economically as a veterinarian. These subjects don't directly mean anything in terms of a clinical aspect, but they definitely mean a lot if you wish to pursue your career in animal sciences. In rearing, animal husbandry, these are all also very essential skills. And for number five, let me let you in on a secret. Veterinary is not just becoming a vet. It involves career paths like being a public health veterinarian, research, food research, corporate, civil, army, and so much more. And like I mentioned before, even practices like animal husbandry and stuff that can get you so much money. It's not just black and white as, oh, you do veterinary, so you become a vet. There is so many different fields, so many different careers, and a lot of them are extremely high income careers. So make sure to do your research and know what you want to do. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something and this was helpful. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.